In order to play Steam games on your mobile device, whether it be iPhone or Android, the first thing you want to do is open up Steam on your PC, and then in the upper left-hand corner, go to Steam, and then click into Settings. Once under Settings, you want to scroll down on the sidebar here and click into Remote Play. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that the option that says Enable Remote Play is checked and over to the right. Make sure that is enabled and just leave Steam up on your PC. And open up the App Store and search for an app called Steam Link. As you can see, this is what it's called right here, and go ahead and open that app. Once you open that app, it'll ask you to rotate your phone into landscape mode. Once you've rotated your device, you'll see an option that says computer, and it'll then ask you to scan for a computer. If you scan for a computer and it doesn't pick up your PC, then you need to go to other computer here, and then it will provide you a PIN code, and then you just go back to your Steam here, and you should see a pop-up box saying you're trying to connect a device and enter the PIN code. So go ahead and enter that PIN code and you should be good to go. A pro tip here is make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and the scan feature should work just fine. Once you connect your PC, you'll see these options here where it says start playing, and then you'll see a couple of things to the right. It should have green check marks next to your PC, next to your touch controller, and then tells you how fast or slow your connection is. Then just tap on start playing. You'll then see an authorized device box pop up on Steam. Type in this code that comes up on your phone or your iPad or whatever device you're using. And then when you do that, you can see it begins to connect your device to Steam and you're able to play your full Steam library. Now, as you can see, I'm playing Slay the Spire 2 directly here on my phone using this touch controller from Steam Link. If you have any questions on how to do this, please put that in the comment section down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.